Alright, so Snowstorm 2010, Part 2. We already have our accumulation from the first storm here. Several feet of snow. But now we're getting, I don't even know what day it is anymore because the government's been closed for 2 days. It's Tuesday, and they're going to probably decide on closing the government again tonight, maybe tomorrow morning. And so yeah, we're supposed to get like 2-3 inches tonight, and then 6 a.m. or early in the a.m. we're supposed to get the 2 inches of snow per hour like we did before. So if I was the government, federal government's closed. Well, I just got word, government's closed again 3 days in a row. So 3 days in a row vacation is good with me.
Alright, so it's day 2. Snowstorm Part 2 video. And it's around, I'd say, 8 in the morning. It's coming down. Looks like we got about, let's see here. I don't know how much we got. I'd say close to a foot. Definitely blizzard conditions. The wind was blowing more earlier, but it's not blowing right now.
Yeah, 311 and quarters. Engine 311 and quarters, 904.
$29.99. You too can buy a book that can train your wife to do this. Hurries while supplies last.
If you make it $9.99, more people will buy it.
Uh-oh.
Didn't Pitch Men teach you anything?
No. Looks like you're gonna have a lot to do there. My goodness. Can't even walk over there. I don't need to shovel out. Definitely blizzard conditions today. These huge snow mounds here, so hard to see over. Whiteout conditions. So it's February 10th, and so much snow this month. It's insane. Actually, this year, it's insane.